Hello, I'm Dima from Integrator channel, and today I'm really happy and excited to present you my experience with OpenAI Assistant. So it's easy to see it in action when you will use a versatile template for quick start. So I will attach the link in the description of this video. So basically the example they present is related to the weather forecast in some city. So yeah, you can use this Next.js repository by cloning. Then you need your OpenAI API key, and additionally it's good if you will be able to go and create in a dashboard assistance, create your assistant and configure it. So you will have the ID, and in the repository it needs to be entered in this .env file. So first you will rename it from example to .env, and then you can run the application. So yeah, install dependencies, run application, and it will be hosted on the 3000 port. So yeah, let's go and see it in action. Basic example looks like this. So you will have those links and you can go and try it in action. And yeah, I have created my own for getting appointment. So this is a simple chart. So the chart area will be located here, and this is your application, and you will see how chat can interact with your application and display data here. So before we will jump into it, let's discuss few details. So first of all, here in functions, there was a default get weather function, and I have created my custom get availability. So actually I described the name, the description of this function, and I specified that it should take a date parameter from the chat. So date will be the parameter that we need to ask user to provide. Then I will pass this date to the to my code. So I have a function fetch appointment availability that expect to take the date, and if we have date we will just respond with some array of free slots, let's say for 8th of August, 9th and 10th, and for some people who can handle, let's say, haircut for me. And if we don't have data, so here you can do a fetch to your API or whatever. If we can't find, we will return an empty array. And additionally, you can extend it with more parameters, not only date, maybe like a person you would like to. In the basic example, I have modified only this part. So I've created my own component and pasted the value that will come from my, let's say, get availability function. And yeah, what else? Also, this function name should be equal to the one that we've created here in the instruction. And additionally, so I'm currently in page TS6, but also in road. What type of road is this? In assistant road, we have this assistant openai.beta.assistant create. So when we are creating the assistant, we also provide the same description, and we send the same instruction. So like we tell the assistant which function to use in our code and what parameter it should take. So yeah, just please keep it in mind, and let's go to the demo. So we want to try it in action. Okay, hello, please show me free slots on, let's say, 9th of August. So now we will see in logs that we can see thread run created, then queued, and in progress, then created, and then we see the stream delta. So I'm logging this to see how it works. Then the function executed handle required action. So this is like function that execute your custom functions, and here is a function that you created, your custom name and the parameter that was sent. So it took my date that I specified, like 9th of August, and passed it in proper format. So you can work and improve the format as well. and here it is. So let's see, from 9th of August it returned some values that I rendered in my application. So this is application state, and as well as responded within the chat. So let's see on the 9th of August if it's true. So yeah, we only have Nick. Okay, so now we will call the 10th. And what about 10th of August? So let's see, it will repeat the process again. So call our async function or API response and return two options with Olivia, some slots for one slot for her, and Sam. Okay, perfect. What about tomorrow? Oh, okay, so we can see the date is passed as 8th of August. So for tomorrow there are 2 free slots. Why? Okay, yeah, that's correct. It's correct. Nick and 2 slots for Nick. Nice. And what about 12th of August? For 12th, for sure there should be no data. Come on. Yeah, that's it. So you can see that elements disappeared, and it says unfortunately there are no available slots. So yeah, basically that's it. Please let me know if you have any questions. Yeah, I will attach the start kit link, quick start, and yeah, I will not attach my code, but you will see that it is very similar to this example. Thanks, and please like and subscribe, and see you in the new one.